So when I'm creating panoramas, I love using Lightroom because it's quick to make a preview and we can see what we like to do. But what I want to do today is throw it into Photoshop and merge to a panorama. So let's do that. Okay, so here's our photo merge dialog box. We've already got our source file selected. We're going to blend the images together. Of course, we want to remove the vignette. We can do a geometric distortion control, so why not do that? And if we really want to get keen, we can do content aware fill transparent areas, but let's do that later. Alright, so the layout. So auto, of course, uses perspective, cylindrical and spherical. Perspective brings the, as you can see, the outside edges closer. Spherical or cylindrical keeps everything like a cylinder, and spherical is great if you've got like 360 panoramas, but I find it good in some situations as well. So collage will kind of reposition the images and also transform them, and reposition just repositions the images and only gets good results if you got like 2 or 3 images. Otherwise it just starts to put the images in the wrong spot. It needs to be changed. Alright, so because we were in Lightroom earlier, I chose to use cylindrical, so let's just go with that and let's click OK. Oh my god, that took a bloody long time. Okay, as you can see, Lightroom's done a great job, and if I'll just option click on this, and as you can see, Lightroom does like a pixel by pixel selection and masks out parts of the image that we don't need and transform them and joins together. It's pretty bloody cool. So here's my final image. What I'm going to do is probably merge these downs and then we could do something else. But so far, quick and easy results. It only took 5 minutes in Photoshop.